Welcome back to another easy tutorial video of Nihaal Edits. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily remove the background from a video using the Roto Brush tool in After Effects, just like this. Open After Effects and first duplicate the layer from which you want to remove the background. Then pre-compose the duplicated layer. Open the pre-compose and double-click on the clip to open it in the preview window. Now go to the top and select the Roto Brush tool. On the right side, you can adjust the brush size by increasing or decreasing the diameter. Now start outlining your character in the preview window, just like I'm doing. As you can see, the Roto Brush automatically tries to detect the character. The pink area shows what has been selected. To make the selection more accurate, keep brushing over all parts of the character until the pink selection completely covers the subject. Now, to make the hair edges more accurate, select the Roto Brush tool again and choose the Refine Edge tool. Then brush around the edges of the character's hair. Maybe in my next life get a chance to feel alive, but people say you only get one chance, so I gotta work hard. You'll see a black and white preview where the white area is selected and the black area is removed. You can also click this red icon below the preview window to check the background removal more clearly. This will show the removed area in red so you can adjust the edges more accurately. Once everything looks good, simply click the freeze button and wait for After Effects to process the Roto Brush. After processing is complete, the background will be removed from your video clip. You can also use any of my 4 KCCs to enhance the overall look of your edit and make it more professional. You can download them from my website, the link is in the description. For free 4 KCCs, you can also join my WhatsApp channel. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more simple editing tutorials. Till then, goodbye.